Hi, Bob, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. I'm so excited for the winter break. Do you have any plans?
Well, thinking of going skiing in Switzerland. I've always wanted to visit the Alps and enjoy the snow.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love skiing too. How long are you going to stay there?
I'm planning to stay for 2 weeks. I want to visit different ski resorts and also see some of the cities and villages.
That's awesome. Do you have anyone to go with you?
Yeah, I'm going with my cousin. He's a ski instructor, so he can teach me some tips and tricks.
Lucky you. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun.
What about you? Do you have any winter trip plans?
Well, I'm actually going to do the opposite of you. I'm going to escape the cold and go to Hawaii.
Hawaii? That's awesome. I've always wanted to go there too. What are you going to do there?
I'm going to relax on the beach, swim in the ocean, and surf. I've never tried surfing before, so I'm really looking forward to it.
That sounds amazing. I love surfing too. How long are you going to stay there?
I'm planning to stay for 2 weeks as well. I want to visit different islands and also see some of the volcanoes and waterfalls.
That's awesome. Do you have anyone to go with you?
Yeah, I'm going with my best friend. She's a travel blogger, so she can show me some of the best spots and take some amazing photos.
Lucky you. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun. Well, that was an exciting English conversation practice about winter trip plans. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Now, let's review what we learned. Here are some questions for you to answer. Where is Bob going for his winter trip? What activity does he want to do there? Who is he going with? Where is Alice going for her winter trip? What activity does she want to do there? Who is she going with? You can pause the video and write your answers in the comments below. I will check them and give you some feedback. Now, let's practice your speaking skills. Here are some prompts for you to talk about your own winter trip plans. Where do you want to go for your winter trip? Why do you want to go there? What do you want to do there? Who do you want to go with? That's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.